Hello, this is John Smallwood of Smallwood Wealth Management, and today we're going to be diving into navigating the client portal. The client portal is a very important tool to understanding where your money is, what's happening, and really getting an in-depth look at it. The client portal offers many different ways to look at your wealth and understand what's happening, and our goal is to go through this and provide these short videos that really focus in on specific areas so you get a better understanding of how these specific tools work. So again, at our website, when you hit the Smallwood Wealth website, you navigate over to Client Login, and the Client Portal login is here, and you would type in your credentials here, and you'd end up here at the overview. And the overview page, very specifically, is an overview of the money that we are managing in your wealth plan. And specifically, when you hit here, on this left-hand side, assuming there were more accounts, this is our fictitious, Dean Martin household. Dean Martin has one account, and it happens to be custodied at, in this particular instance, it's at TD Ameritrade. What you would see is you'd see the registration name here on the left here, and you would see where it's held, and then you'd see a market value, and in this particular case this represents 100% of the money that is under management for Dean Martin. Now at this level, you could be focusing in on just one account. In this particular strategy, when you click this, since there's only one account, it's here, but you would see multiple accounts and registrations that you might have. On this page, you can very quickly open up and see the holdings that you have, the quantity of shares that you have, yesterday's price, and what percentage of your assets this represents. Up here, we've given you 4 different ways to skew the look, and you can determine, well, what is equity, what is money market in this particular case, because that's how this account is allocated. And you'll notice that the stocks in this particular case are $1,495,000, the money market $706,000. The quick shot when you log in here, got the same market value, the same amount of what's invested, and the amount of cash. So quickly when you log on here on the right hand side, you're going to see the cash. You can also skew this by asset class, and what this allows you to understand is what role are each of these securities playing in the plan. Are they part of my large cap core? Are they part of my large cap value holdings? Are they growth, mid-cap, core, which is basically a blend between growth and value, mid-cap value, money market, mid-cap growth, etc. And you can keep expanding this view. Here, you can also switch over to the registration, assuming you had multiple registrations, such as an IRA, a Roth IRA, a joint account, a trust account, an LLC account, something like that. You would see the accounts grouped by registration. Now, here, if you wanted to print a quick report, you could do so by clicking there and then printing a report. And the view that you have on the screen is going to be what you are printing. So if you change the view and say, let me expand the holding so I can see this, and just open up 2, go to the printer button, and now you're seeing that expanded view is what's going to print. In addition, you could change the time frame in which you're looking at this, so you could look back and see, well, let's just go back to Saturday, July 1st, hit the refresh button, let it recalculate, and there's what you would see. It would now go back to the 7-1 category. You would see the value on the 7-1. click back up to today's date, wherever we are, the 25th, hit this, and we're seeing that the account's changed by about $4,000 in this particular piece. Now, again, on every single page, you can send us an email, you can make a phone call, you can click to schedule an appointment with us. When you click to schedule an appointment, it goes to our web page, and right here, we have an easy button that allows you to schedule an appointment. You can, as a client, you can schedule a catch-up call, you can do a planning session, you can schedule a review, and you can either do this, we can either do it through a web meeting, an in-person meeting, or come to your office or your residence, whatever works best for you, as we've always been. So this is open for you to do that. Thank you, and have a good day. We hope you enjoy this.